Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to create shared album on iOS 18 in your iPhone. Yes, so let's start the video here and check out this method. So guys, for this trick, do one thing, go to your Photos application after installing iOS 18. Okay, open the application and here you see the layout has been changed completely. So it's a complete one page now, like a spreadsheet. Okay, just go ahead and wherever you see album category, just stop there. Okay, and here just go ahead and tap on the title, that is your album. Just go ahead and tap on there. Once you tap on that, the next thing you'll see that all the albums in a listicle view here. And now here if you see on top, if you see personal, shared and activity, three options given to you. So now for now just go ahead, just click on option called shared. Okay, and now if you see at the left side top corner, go ahead and tap on create. Okay, now if you see you have chosen option called shared album and you are tapping on creating, so you are creating a shared album. So now here if you see name your album, okay, give a name, and below if you see there is an option to invite the participant. Just go ahead, tap on invite, and here choose your contacts or add your contacts to whom you want to add to your shared album and click on done. Once you do that, automatically those people will get the invitation for the album to join. Okay, after that automatically you can create the shared album on your iPhone in iOS 18 with this simple method. So guys, that's it. I hope it helped you, and if yes, then one request, please like the video and subscribe for such videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.